It is of the essence that the funds in your account always be under your control. For that reason, we cannot overstress the importance of using precautions that will protect you against malicious parties' attempts to rob you. Reinforce your account security by using Google Authenticator as a means of two-factor authentication. Google Authenticator is a free smartphone app that generates one-use codes for logins and account operations authorization. Whenever you perform a major operation in your account, you will be prompted to confirm it using a Google Authenticator generated code. That way, you can rest assured that even in case of your computer being compromised, your account will remain secure without the offender's access to your phone. To activate two-factor authentication, download the Google Authenticator app to your smartphone. It is easily found both in Android's Play Store and iOS's App Store. Next, go to the Security Settings tab in your BitPay account and toggle on Google Authenticator. Click Save Changes. Then, scan the QR code using the Google Authenticator app. Alternatively, you can copy the accompanying key manually. Do not share this key with anybody. A code will be generated by the app that you'll need to enter into the appropriate field. In the last step, you'll need to confirm the operation using a code sent to your email address. From this moment on, you'll be asked to enter a Google Authenticator code to enable operations within the account. You just took a major step toward better safeguarding your funds.